Once upon a time on Shape Island. I'll solve this mystery.
Ahoy! I'm Captain Circle.
Hi, I'm Square Crab.
Square is for square crab. Click clack.
High five, Square Crab. Yay, team up!
Ahoy, Blue Crab. Ready for our mystery?
Click clack. Hello, friends. Slow and steady. Wow, a triangle. Thanks. Clickety clack. Let's go. Rectangle is for rectangle boat. Star is for starfish. Yay, starfish!
Welcome to Shape Island.
Our friends are on a mystery adventure. Look, a diamond dolphin.
Diamond is for Diamond Dolphin.
Let's solve the mystery together.
Look, it's Heart Hedgehog. Yay, you made it! I love adventures. We love them too.
Heart is for heart hedgehog.
Woohoo! Oval is for oval owl. Here's a scroll clue for you. All right, team, let's go. Smart. Follow me.
Wow, look.
A pentagon. Pentagon is for pentagon parrot.
Wow!
Hexagon is for hexagon honeybee.
Almost there. Catch us.
Wow, it's building itself.
Let's dance. Circle time.